And so you get a lot of information about cutting and having to have knife skills and all of that. And you are encouraged, of course, to cut with your knuckles curved under. Let me show you something much simpler and easier to manage. I am cutting up some small carrots right here. And I think basically if you manage to keep your fingers away from the blade and you take this finger, I'm using a very large knife so you can't see, but I'm coming down and I've got this hand, the one that gets cut if it's in the wrong place, is just on top of the knife. So we get a little start and there we go. It's useful for cutting in all kinds of ways. Here's the knife just being started. Here's my hand on top, and I'm pushing down. I think that's about it.